everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. Today we are covering string and preprocessor with quick MCQs to boost your skills. Test your knowledge. Pause the video if you need more time and see how many you get right. Let's get started. What is a string in C? Options are an array of integers, an array of characters ending with null, a class, and a single character. Option B is correct. In C, strings are array of characters terminated by null character. Which of the following is a correct string declarations? Options are given below. Option A is correct. C uses char array to store strings. What is the output of the following code? Options are byte, B, error, and undefined. Option A is correct. %s prints the entire string until the null terminator. Which library must be included for string functions? Options are stdio.h, stdlib.h, string.h, and ctype.h. Option C is correct. String.h contains standard string manipulation functions. What is the use of strlen function? Options are copies string, compare string, finds length of a string, and reverse string. Option C is correct. strlen function returns the number of character before null. What is the output of the following code? Options are 10, 3, 4, and error. Option B is correct. ABC has 3 character. strlen returns 3. Which function is used to copy the string? Options are copy, strcopy, strcpy, and clone. Option C is correct. strcpy copies string. Which function compares two strings? Options are strcmp, strcompare, match, and strmatch. Option A is correct. strcmp compares two strings. What does the code returns? Options are 0, positive, negative, and depend on system. Option B is correct. Which string function concatenate two strings? Options are strcat, append, merge, and add string. Option A is correct. strcat appends second string to first. What is the result of the following code? Options are 8, 7, 9, and error. Option A is correct. Easy Byte contains 8 characters. What is printed in the following code? Options are ABC, error, S1, and nothing. Option A is correct. strcpy copies S1 to S2, so printing S2 outputs ABC. Which header file contains two upper and two lower function? Options are string.h, stdio.h, ctype.h, and conio.h. Option C is correct. ctype.h contains character handling functions. Which function checks if the character is a digit? Options are is digit, is number, check digit, and is sum. Option A is correct. Is digit checks if a character is 0 to 9. What does hash define do in C? Options are defines a function, declares a variable, creates a macro, and includes a file. Option C is correct. Hash define creates a macro or constant. What is the output of this code? Options are pi, 3.14, error, and %f. Option B is correct. Macro replaces pi with 3.14 before compilation. What is the output of this code? Options are 30, 20, 10, and 25. Option D is correct. How can we avoid such macro issues? Options are use functions, use parentheses in macros, avoid macros, and use const. Option B is correct. Parenthesis ensures correct order of operations. What is the purpose of hash include? Options are declares a function, includes code from a file, compiles the file, and executes the file. Option B is correct. Has include copies the content of another file. What is a header file? Options are C source file, executable, file with macros and function declaration, and binary file. Option C is correct. Header files declare functions and macros. What is the extension of C header files? Options are .txt, .h, .cpp, and .c. Option D is correct. Header files uses the .h extension. Which of the following is a standard header file? Options are stdio.h, input.h, maths.h, and scan.h. Option A is correct. stdio.h is a standard input-output header. Which preprocessor directive prevents multiple inclusion of a header files? Options are has if and def, has define, has and if, and all of the above. Option D is correct. Which preprocessor condition is correct? Options are given below. Option D is correct. Both A and B are valid. C is assignment, not comparison. Can macro take arguments? Options are yes, no, only in C++, and only integers. Option A is correct. Macros can be parameterized. What does this macro do? Options are 16, 12, 7, and 10. Option C is correct. Best way to write safe macro. Options are given below. Option B is correct. Parenthesis ensures correct evaluation. What is the output of the following? Options are max, 100, error, and nothing. Option D is correct. Macro replaces max with 100. Which of the following is not a preprocessor directive? Options are has define, has include, has if def, and has input. Option D is correct. Has input is invalid. What is the output of this code? Options are 5, error, 0, and undefined. Option B is correct. How many did you get right? Comment below your scores and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will cover MCQs on structure and union. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.